What the fuck do you want? Got nothing better to do, hey? Bored. So you've been isolated for 3 weeks, right? Well, let me tell you, I've been isolated in this fucking cage for 17 miserable fucking years. And you've got the audacity to call me lucky. All I get's a few sunflower seeds every now and then, and some water. No iPhone, no Wi-Fi, and no fucking alcohol. You lot can't even cope without toilet paper. Just wait till you have to let your shit pile up in the